So check these out, Cream Speed switches. They're made by Kailh, and they're coming in hot for anyone looking to spice up their mechanical keyboard without breaking the bank. We're talking a whole rainbow of colors here: gold, silver, copper, bronze, pink, even pro purple, green, and burgundy. And they're all rocking that sweet RGB lighting with SMD LEDs. So visually, they're already a win. Now, the big deal here is speed. These switches are designed for, well, speed. They've got a super short total travel distance of just 3.5 millimeters. That means less distance your fingers have to travel to actuate a key, which can be a game changer for gaming or even just fast typing. The pre-travel, the distance before the switch registers the key press, is even shorter, between 1.1 and 1.4 millimeters depending on the switch. Let's talk about the different types. You've got your linear switches, like the silver, with a smooth, consistent feel and 40 G springs. These are great for gamers who want that lightning-fast response. Then there are the tactile switches, like the copper, also with 40 G springs. These give you a little bump, so you know when the key is registered, which can be helpful for accuracy. Finally, we got the clicky switches like the gold, pink, and bronze. These guys give you both the tactile bump and an audible click, which is super satisfying for some people. The golds have slightly heavier 60 G springs, while the pink and bronze are at 50 G. One thing that caught my eye was the 70 million click lifetime rating. That's a lot of clicks. It suggests these switches are built to last, which is great news considering the price point. They're definitely aiming to compete with Cherry MX switches, even mentioning Cherry Clears in the description, which are tactile switches. It's interesting they're comparing them to Clears, given the variety of switches here. Now, the description mentions waterproof, which is a little vague. I'd be curious to see how resistant these switches actually are to spills. It's probably best not to test that out intentionally, though. Also, the recommended uses for product just says Yoshi, which is Chinese for game. So, yeah, definitely geared towards gamers. Overall, these Cream Speed switches seem like a really interesting option for anyone looking for affordable, customizable switches. The variety of colors and switch types is awesome, and the speed-focused design is definitely appealing. I'd be really interested to try these out in a keyboard and see how they perform in real-world use. If you're on a budget and want to experiment with different switch types, these might be worth checking out. Just be sure to do a little more research on that waterproof claim before you go dunking your keyboard in water.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.